How much will it cost to raise 100 broilers? In this video, I'm going to show you how much it will cost you, and so that you can know the kind of budget that you're going to prepare yourself to, because I believe most farmers have the same question. So let's get into this video. The first expense is building the chicken house, and for this we have two categories. They have the construction of chicken house, or the material, and a chicken house of the broiler house will, for 100 broilers, will cost 12,000 shillings, and the labor to allow the construction of the chicken house will be 10,000. And also for the chicken house you'll need accessories such as the brooding jiko, so that you can provide heat to the chicks. That will go for 1800. And I have the chicken trays. This one whereby they are going to be eaten from. Chick trays, it is 400, and we need 2 of them. Also we have the tuber feeders, and this will be 1700, and we also will need two of them. And have a drinker. A drinker will need 1. That will go for 135 shillings. Also for this, because these chicks will become older at one time, also we will need 2 drinkers in future. That will be 700 shillings. And that for putting up the structure, everything, you will need 26,735 shillings. And this is in Kenyan shillings. And here I have the expenses for the 5 weeks. That is the 35 days. And so let's start with the first week. The first week you need the chicks, 100 of them. That will cost us 6,000 shillings. That means that 1 chick goes for 60 shillings if you buy from Ken Chick. Also need disinfectant, 200 ml. That will go for 150. Also we need the feeds. That's the starter mash. We need 16.5 kgs. That will go for 825 shillings. So we need the vitamins and 1 bag of charcoal and wood shavings, so that we can prevent, wood shavings will be used to prevent the floor of the house from becoming white. Also the wood shavings absorbs all the poop that the chicks were going to excrete. And for the first week you will spend 8,975 shillings. Now for the second week, also we'll need feeds and vaccinations, a starter mash. And also for the vaccination, you're going to vaccinate against Newcastle and infectious bronchitis. Also we need to vaccinate against gumboro. And for the second week you're going to spend 2,060 Kenyan shillings. And now for the third week, we're also going to need feeds and vaccine, and that will cost us, in total will cost us 3,340 Kenya shillings. And now for the fourth week, we are also going to need feeds and a vaccine again. So far we are seeing that we have given vaccines. The Newcastle one, we have given it twice. Now if you add the fourth week, and the gumboro, you have given it twice. And for this fourth week, you're going to need feeds and a vaccine, and that will cost us 4,820 Kenya shillings. And for the fifth week, the final week, you're going to need finisher mash, and that will cost us 6,055 Kenya shillings. The summary of that cost, on total, we are going to spend 51,985 Kenya shillings. And the cash earned from selling the 100 broiler chicken after the 5 weeks, we are going to sell one broiler chicken for 400 shillings, and that will earn us 40,000 Kenya shillings. You see now that will be a loss of 11,985. But if you have been doing it, you're not going to incur the cost of construction, and that, see now the expenses have gone down. You're going to spend 25,250. So that will make us a profit of 14,750 Kenya shillings in the 5 weeks. I hope this video was educated to you. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and please hit the notification bell. That's the minimum thing I can ask from you. See you next time.